Basically, arsenic is affecting 6th and 7th number step of glycolysis. So first, let's write down normal 6th and 7th number steps, right? So, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate goes into 6th number step of glycolysis, where 2 phosphates are added, inorganic phosphates are added, and 2 NADH are formed, which gives 5 ATPs, right? Then we get 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, okay? And then 7th number step is substrate level phosphorylation step, where 2 ATPs are formed and we get 3-phosphoglycerate. After that, pyruvate will be formed in the end, okay? Now, what is the difference in case of arsenic, right? So, what will happen if arsenic is present, then in 6th number step, instead of inorganic phosphate, arsenic is added, okay? Arsenic is added and we get 1-arseno 3-phosphoglycerate, okay? So, we are not getting 5 ATPs here in this step because instead of phosphate, what is getting added is arsenic, right? Then 7th number step, what will now happen is that 1-arseno 3-phosphoglycerate will be spontaneously converted to 3-phosphoglycerate without the help of any enzyme. So obviously, substrate level phosphorylation step is not occurring here. So we are not getting those 2 ATPs of normal 7th number step, right? So as 3-phosphoglycerate is same which is formed. So in the end, pyruvate will be formed. So you can see that glycolysis will continue. There is no problem, no inhibition of glycolysis as such. But we are losing on how many ATPs? We are losing 7 ATPs. And normally we get 7 ATPs in glycolysis, okay? So 7 minus 7 is 0, right? So in arsenic poisoning in glycolysis, we get 0 ATPs, right?